Hey there, here I'm going to show you how to delete Hideu calculator locker. Now to delete Hideu calculator locker, here watch closely. And to delete it, as you can see, I can't uninstall it. You see it, I can't uninstall it. But to uninstall it, first thing you will do is just change your home menu launcher like this. Now go to your settings like this. If you are using Android, here slide to reach personalization. Here click on it. Now slide to reach desktop setting. Here click on it. Now click on set as default desktop. Here click on it. Now switch your default home menu like this. Here click on it. As you can see, I've switched my default home menu. Now press on the Hideu calculator launcher like this to bring out the uninstall. You see the uninstall. Now click on app info. Here click on it. Now click on uninstall. You can force stop it, but click on uninstall to delete it. Now click on uninstall. Now click on OK. Now wait for it to uninstall. As you can see, it have uninstalled it. You see it. You see it. Now there is another way to uninstall it. You can go straight to your Play Store like this or Apple Store. Here click on search. Now here type Hideu calculator like this. Now as you can see it here. Now click on it. Now as you can see it. Now click here. Now what you do now is just click on this uninstall here. Now click on uninstall. As you can see, I've uninstalled it. You see it. Always download it from the Play Store or App Store in order to avoid hacking or avoid getting scammed or avoid sending virus into your device. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you are visiting for the first time, subscribe and click on the bell icon so you never miss out on my new tech tutorial. Now watch the video on the screen in order to know how to hide the application on Hideu calculator. Now you have know how to uninstall it. I will see you on the next video. Peace.